They laughed at me at work today. They said my English was bad and laughed right in front of me.
Ah, that must have hurt. But tell me, does their laughter really define who you are?
I don't know. I just felt embarrassed. Like everything I've learned meant nothing.
Listen, son, people often laugh because they don't understand effort. The fact that you're trying already makes you better than most.
But I really want to improve my English. I'm tired of making pronunciation mistakes and seeing their sarcastic looks.
That desire to improve, that's the start of success. Language isn't a gift people are born with. It's a skill earned through patience. Try this. Listen a lot. Movies, podcasts, even songs. The more you listen, the stronger your language becomes. Speak without fear. Don't wait to be perfect to start speaking. Perfection comes through practice. Take notes. Write down words you mispronounce or new phrases you learn. Make them part of your daily routine. Surround yourself with good speakers. The right environment can teach you more than any classroom.
And what about the people who laugh at me? How do I deal with them?
Just smile. Sometimes silence and a calm smile are the strongest answers. Remember, you're not learning to please them. You're learning to build a better version of yourself and open new doors.
I think you're right. I'll handle it calmly and keep learning.
That's the spirit. Every day, take a small step forward, and one day, those who mocked you will wish they had your courage. Just keep going.